You know, recording sound or good audio with your Action camera used to be a total pain in the neck. You either had to put up with really bad audio or wind noise, or you had to have some kind of chunky, big, bulky receiver on top of the camera. But all that ends today with this awesome little audio hack that I've got for you right now using the SoundPEATS Clip1 earbuds that you can see on my ears right now. And in this video, we're going to show you all about how you can connect these earbuds to the Osmo Action6 to get great audio when you're out and about filming your next vlog. This video is brought to you by SoundPEATS, and big thanks to them for sponsoring today's video. And we're featuring the Clip1, which is an open ear earbud. And as you can see, it actually just clips onto your quickly and easily, and it produces great audio sound. Now, the cool thing is that you can actually be quite active when you are out wearing these earbuds without the fear of them falling out. They've also got up to 8 hours of battery life in them, and they're also rated IPX5, which means that they're water resistant. They can put up with a few splashes and a little bit of sweat when you're out there running around on the trail or working out hard at the gym. Another really cool thing is that it doesn't matter which one of these earbuds you put in your ears. What happens is these automatically work out which ear the earbud is in. So that means that what happens is when you say play back your tunes, for example, if you listen to Spotify or something, it will make sure that your left ear is getting the sounds from the left channel and the right ear is getting the sounds from the right one, which is a super feature.
You get this fancy little Clip1 case. So let's have a quick look here. Right now, if we have a look, that is your outlet, which is where the sound's going to come out. Over here is where you're going to tap on this little icon here to kind of change your settings. This is like your indicator light. So if it's green, it means you have between 70 and 80% of charge in your earbuds. Here on the back is a USB-C port where you can use a USB-C cable to charge up your unit. Now the charge time for the earbuds is about an hour, about 2 hours for the case. But you can do a fast charge, which is great. So if your batteries are getting flat, you can charge it up for about 10 minutes and you'll get 2 hours of life out of these little Duvalakis here, which is fantastic. All right, so they've got 12 millimeter dual magnet dynamic drivers, which is going to give you deep bass, which is what you want, and they're ultra lightweight. These earbuds only weigh, get this, 5 grams each, which is almost nothing. Also in the pack, you'll get this handy user guide here showing you how to get to know your earbuds. Next up, there's also some cool stickers as well with pandas on it. And there's also this awesome little card here which tells you how to download the SoundPEATS or the PEATS audio app. And lastly, but not leastly, there's also a USB-C to USB-A cable here as well. Download the PEATS audio app for the SoundPEATS Clip1 earbuds from the Apple App Store or Google Play. Once you've opened up the SoundPEATS Clip1, it's going to start to pair with your smartphone. So once that's been done, you want to bounce into the SoundPEATS app, and on the app, you may need to click on where it says add device, and then it'll go through the process of connecting to the device. So it's going to bring up this screen here, which is an interesting screen. Now, if I look here and I scroll down to where it says Dolby Audio, this is a really cool feature. There's 2 modes. Music mode, which is great for listening to your favorite songs, and then movie mode. Now down below there's a double device connection feature. This is a really cool feature to have on if you want to connect up your earbuds to more than one device. It also has in-ear detection. What this means is that your earbuds will detect whether the earbud's been put into the left ear or the right ear, so it has the right audio to match that particular ear. There's also game mode here too, which you can turn on, and just by turning on game mode means that you have less latency, which is great for online gaming, for example. There's a custom key option here as well. Now, if you tap on that, that's going to bring up this awesome screen here, which is your shortcuts. The default setting is what I have right now. So 2 clicks on the left ear will play or pause, and it's going to have the same option for right ear. But if you want to change that, you can just tap on the drop down, and then here's a whole list of different options that are available to you. Now, the bottom one here is one which I think is pretty essential. It's DynamicEQ. Now, if you tap on this one here, it's going to give you better, fuller sound for when you're using the earbuds, and you're definitely going to want to have that one switched on. It also has an option for LDAC audio technology, which allows for high-resolution audio streaming for a bigger, richer sound. The middle one here brings you to your adaptive EQ screen, or the equalizer screen. And here you have some presets. A really cool feature with this app is you can actually tap on the plus button down the bottom, and then you can actually customize your own EQ settings, which is a pretty awesome feature. All right, so if we tap on the little person icon down the bottom, it's going to bring up this screen here, which is going to show basically your profile. So as we tap on that arrow there, it's now going to bring up this personal center screen where you can change the avatar. There's also options there for user manual, and if you want to contact SoundPEATS, you can do it there as well. All right, so let's pair the SoundPEATS Clip1, these cool little earbuds, with the DJI Osmo Action6. Now, first of all, to actually pair to more than one device, you need to turn off the Bluetooth on the first device that you've paired it with. Okay, so in my case, I paired it with my smartphone, and I have to turn it off Bluetooth, so now I can pair it with this super duper little action camera here. So I open it up to get it ready to pair. All right, so on the back of the Osmo Action6, we need to swipe down, and then we want to tap where it is the hex nut you can see in this one here. I'll tap on him. Now I'm going to scoot down to where it says wireless earbuds, which is just near my fingertip. I'm going to tap on him there. Now what's going to happen is it shows the other devices I've currently paired my action camera with, but what happens if you look down the bottom, we can see the SoundPEATS Clip1 has appeared. Now all I need to do is just tap on that arrow there, and now it's going to do the spinny thing, and it's just connected the wireless earbuds from the SoundPEATS Clip1 wireless earbuds to my action camera. How cool is that? Now the Osmo Action6 can pick up audio from wireless earbuds up to 10 meters away. But first of all, let's test out the camera's internal microphone from that very distance. 10 meters away from the camera roughly, but I'm actually not using earbuds.
All right, so this time we're about the same distance away from the camera, and this is the sound that's getting picked up by the wireless earbuds. Now these wireless earbuds are actually really good. They've actually got their own noise reduction system inbuilt as well, which also cuts out some of that outside noise. All right, so we've moved to a different location. We're now here at Largs Pier, or Largs Jetty, which is a little suburb just north of Adelaide. Beautiful little beachside suburb, and the sound that's getting picked up right now is just coming straight from the internal mic on the camera. All right, so we're still in the same location down here at Largs Bay. Now I've got the mics from the microphone from the SoundPEATS Clip1 is picking up the audio. How does it sound?
Okay, so yesterday's location was super noisy there down by the beach. So now I've got a quieter suburban location to test out the microphone from the camera with the wind reduction off. All right, now 10 meters away, this beautiful little park here. How does it sound?
All right, now we have the SoundPEATS Clip1 earbuds connected to thy ears. 1, 2, 1, 2. Easy peasy to put on. Just going to run 10 meters away, and we'll do that same test. All right, so we're 10 meters away. The sound is just coming from these SoundPEATS microphones. How does it sound?
And then it was time to take it inside to do an indoor test of the microphone. All right, so this is like an indoor test, around about 10 meters away from the camera. How does it sound?
All right, this time we're about 10 meters away from the camera and we're indoors. So did you notice much of a difference between the sound now with these earbuds on compared to before? Let me know in the comment section down below.
One final test, this time indoors as well, at one of Australia's most famous stores. Now let's try with the Clip1s.
All right, so this time we're recording about 10 meters away using the SoundPEATS Clip1. An indoor environment. There's a bit of a fan going on. I'm sure you can hear that. There's a really old Phil Collins song playing in the background. Hopefully you can't hear that because I'll lose monetization for this video. But how does it sound? Can you notice the difference between before and now using the microphones from these little itty bitty earbuds, the SoundPEATS Clip1? I've got to say I'm quietly impressed, or maybe I could say it loudly. I'm quite impressed with these Clip1 earbuds from SoundPEATS and how they've been able to connect so quickly and so easily with the Osmo Action6. And the sound pickup is actually really, really good. It works very good outside, but I think it works exceptionally well indoors. But I'd be interested to hear what you think. If you are interested in buying these earbuds, I will put a discount code in the description down below. And when you use it, you'll be able to save 10% off your purchase of these cool little earbuds. So the earbuds are rather great, but so is the DJI Osmo Action6. And it's performed really well with this scenario where we've actually used wireless earbuds and connected it to the camera. But hey, that's not the only thing that this camera can do. And to learn more, you want to click on this video over here now.